Wait, do that again. I'm uploading this.
My head with your head. My head. And someone's head. I'll kill you. You only lost. I have a secret. One here.
I love how this got more vicious just because it's on video.
How long has this been on?
No. Don't. You are beautiful. No. How did your hair go back to its normal size? It was so big. You were bad.
Ow!
Are you gonna sit on me? Oh, we fight like girls.
End result. Hand.
It's tennis. Tennis ended all off. Hit me first. Ow. Alright.